this YouTube channel, I'm going to tell you all the secrets you don't know on Slime Manager. Oh no. First, I need to clean up this mess. Let me go and put all these ports in the port machine. It's my fault mostly. I'm not that good at Slime Manager because I can't see, so I don't look at my quantum thingy. So when I run over here, wait a minute, did I run this portal before? Let me make sure. Oh yeah, I have run this portal. Go backwards. I hope y'all subscribe because I am a first YouTuber to start playing. You see, I haven't died. I don't know why I bought it. Okay, I don't know. Oh no, I heard that much anywhere. Oh man, those guys are mad. And my cook. It's fine. Don't pay me. Oh, you see here, I bought a mod where I get extra money. So Xbox, you have to buy everything on Xbox. You see, I have puddle boards, which cost a lot. Right now, I have a lot of stuff, you see. What am I going to do with this water? Oh, okay, I don't know why. I forget how to play Slime Manager, guys. Leave in the comments what video should I do next. It's a secret if people don't know this. I mean, I can buy one more mod, but it costs a million. I don't want to buy it because I only have the much money I have. Oh no, we already have. Oh no, what are you thinking of? Oh no. Oh come on. Stay away from these carrots, they're rotten. Gravy. Sorry guys. Fire! Fire! There you go, all this stuff was on. Actually, please. The name was actually Gamer Kitty, but I'm gonna use my Nintendo to make a video. I mean, I am a YouTuber on Nintendo, but my mom doesn't know how to get it. So I forgot to say I'm a kid YouTuber. It just stopped recording. Ooh. Hello. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, what was that monster? It just popped up in my little face. Also, my face is little. You know, to eat those drum rolls. Get it, piranhas. Oh, you are Mr. today. I should make a Minecraft video. I do have Minecraft on my Xbox. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh, why is there food in the air? Food fight? Oh my gosh, these ones are cray. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go first. And what am I thinking when I have these bullets? I don't know what I'm thinking. Guys, should I press it? Okay, I'll press it. Even I can't hear you. Oh my gosh, what am I thinking? Oh, I go to. I'm thirsty. Cat. I'm gonna kick it. Hi! It's an arrow kick. Oh, Johnny. And Johnny. Oh, that's a good. Lots of them are eating flesh. Lots of them eating flesh. And go. You know, guys. Yes. Dang, I need to get up there. Dang it, the time's running out. Dang, guys, you see, I am having trouble. Guys, oh, you see how much scores I have? Okay, so like, oh my gosh. Okay. Are you kidding me? Guys, I'm gonna leave. Oh no, I'm not leaving that area. Why is he trying to kill me? Just all him use like a wrecking ball. Let's see if it's still recording. Okay, I was seeing if it's still recording, okay? I need to make it a short, long video, okay guys? Oh man. The video is almost over. I don't want it to be long, because it's my first video. It's gonna be long. I still say it's long. But first let me go over the score stuff. I am pretty scared if I make it too long. I'm gonna lose this. DLC. It's cheeky. Ooh. What a relief. What a relief these slides. Guys, bye. I'm not making the video no more. Can you see me?